So what do these things do?
So the large one there is the regulator. That's attached to the regulator valve. It's a little bit like a throttle. So by opening that handle, opens up the port and allows steam out the boiler, feeds it down to the pistons. Use that one in conjunction with this large one here, which is called the reverser. So we've got a series of switches on the rack here. That's a predetermined valve setting, the amount of time the valves are open, emitting steam to the pistons. So a little bit like gears, but actually nothing like gears. So you're relying on volume of steam to get moving in the beginning, and then once you're moving, you're bringing it back, economising on steam and allowing for the expansion of steam in the cylinder rather than the volume of steam. The brass one there is the brake handle, used in conjunction with that one there, which is called the eject. The eject sends a jet of steam up the pipe, up the train pipe here, which creates a vacuum and draws the brakes on the locomotive and on the train behind us off. And then by moving that handle, you can see that lowers the vacuum in the train pipe by allowing air through the ports here, puts the brakes on, and then we come to the stop. And then over on over on this side, the large one is the boiler pressure gauge, which is maximum of 200 psi. And the one below it is the boiler water level gauge. So that's showing how much water is in the boiler. So we want to be in a position somewhere just above full to about halfway down the glass, just so we've got enough for so we don't run out. Too much steam, too much water is bad, not enough water is bad, so it's striking a balance between the two. The putting water in the boiler is controlled by those two handles there, and those two handles up there which operate the injectors. So you'll see as we go along, the fireman will be operate those handles, and that's just all the steam that we're using is being exhausted out the chimney and wasted, so that's replenishing the water in the boiler. The boiler water, the tank level gauge is the one in the corner there. We've got 1,800 gallons and we'll use between 800 and 1,000 to do 14 miles changing for replacement. So, and then other controls, the whistle which you've just seen a minute ago, brake gauge up there. That one there is called the blower, that creates an artificial draft on the chimney. So opening that up, sends a jet of steam up the chimney. That's just used to fire everything in the fire box and not back in the cab. How long is the tunnel? It's 495 yards long, which is the 6th longest tunnel on a preserved railway in the country. So now we're drifting, we're up to speed, so we've just got the regulator slightly cracked, just so there's a little bit of steam to cushion the motion and also help with lubricating the engine. The lubrication works on this unit here, which is a hydrostatic lubricator. So steam comes out of the boiler at boiler pressure into this coil here, where it's condensed the water but still remains at boiler pressure, into the lubricator here, and each one of these glasses is filled with water, and every now and then you'll see a blob of oil will come out the lubricator, up here, through the pipe, and into this valve on the bottom of the regulator. When the regulator's open, in theory, the oil is atomised into steam, and is then carried around the steam circuit to lubricate the regulator, pistons and the valves.
How much coal do you use on a journey, do you know?
We'll go through about 2.5 tonnes in the course of today, so that's doing lighting up, getting the fire ready, raising the steam, and then doing 5 return trips. So it's all somewhere about maybe 300 or 400 kilos a trip, give or take, but it's all dependent on how good the coal is, how much the fireman puts in there, how hard the driver drives it. But yeah, sort of averages between 2.5 to say 3.5 tons with one of these, depending on the train we do. Something like the S160, the American engine, uses about 5 tons a day because it's
Wow.
got a much bigger firebox. The standard's about 3 tons a day roughly. So yeah, that's it's roughly what it averages out to. But there we go.